morning, students. How are you all? I'm doing good. I am so happy to see so many children being online. I hope your holidays went. I hope your holidays were full of mercy, lesser studies, and बहुत सारा delicious food. Good afternoon to all of you children. Good afternoon. It's so good to see you once again after short midterm break. Okay, I can see a lot of people online. Naman, Ritika, Aparna Singh, Ananya, Abhiraj. Good afternoon, Chanchal Aziz, Vedant Joshi. Good afternoon to all of you children. I can see all of you being online and with all energy, all enthusiasm. We today started the new chapter, the the chapter how we started the new chapter, how heavy, how light. It is chapter number 12 of your textbook, and I want all of you to come to page number 133. I want all of you to come to page number 133. Children, once you have opened your textbook, you need to give me a thumbs up or just type Y so that we move ahead with the class. My students are full of enthusiasm. They are just so ready to learn. Vedant, good afternoon. Mhm. Thank you, Christina. I'm so glad. Thank you for the compliment, Sita. Kusum. Okay. Prajwal, I'll try to be a little more louder if the voice is not clear to you. I hope that most of you have come online and we are good to go with the class. So children, as you all know, that today we are going to start with the new chapter, how heavy, how light. And before we start with the chapter, I want you to, uh, I hope every one of you has completed the holiday homework that was given to you. If it is pending, please complete it. And let us now start with the chapter. I hope all of you have come to page number 133. I have such a beautiful story. Okay, children, I hope you all are on page number 133. Okay, I believe my students are very obedient and they must have completed the holiday homework. Let's start with the story that is written on page number 133. Okay, children? Oh, Bhavesh is still asking the page number. Beta, bache, it is 133. Page number 133. Can you see it on the blackboard? Thank you, Mukesh. Yes, Bhagwati, it's page number 133. Students, this is the final call. Please come to page number 133. Suddenly, I will give you instructions when you have to send your work. Okay, children, I am good to go with the lesson. I want you all to pay attention to what I read. Jaiju and Manu. Jaiju and Manu were shifting house. They loaded all their things on a horse cart. Now, children, you know what is a horse cart? A horse cart is a kind of vehicle, which is basically you see the picture of it on page number 143. There's a horse and the cart is attached just beside the horse. It is attached to the horse so that the things which are to be shifted and they are kept on the cart will move when the horse cart will move ahead. Remaining things like a water tank, 5 sacks of wheat, 3 tables, an almirah, 4 chairs, 2 mattresses. I hope you know what is a mattress, right? 3 sacks of rice, a bamboo ladder, pots and pans. I know, Vijay, that tables and chairs is the next chapter. We're going according to the syllabus. So for the November, we have to complete this. This chapter was to be completed, and therefore I'm taking this chapter right now. We're going to the syllabus. Don't do not worry. Ananya Singh, yes, please come to page number 133. Okay, children, excuse me for a minute. Excuse me for a minute. Okay, children, we are going according to the syllabus. Don't you worry. If there's any change, I'll let you know. And अच्छा Bhagwati Lal Sharma says Ghoda Gali. Yes, yes. Bhagwati, you're absolutely right. We do not want missing numbers. Okay, Aparna. Let's concentrate on what I'm teaching in the class right now. Okay. When they were ready to move, the horse refused to start. They wondered why. Their father said that this horse was not well and would not pull a load heavier than 700 kg. Oh, but how heavy this load? They asked. Okay, children, now we come to page number 134. We've discussed the story so far. We know that Jaiju and Manu were shifting house. They loaded all their things on horse cart, and there were many things like a water bottle, cans, 5 sacks of rice, an almirah, 4 chapters, 2 mattresses. Okay, so what we'll do today is now the chapter is how heavy, how light, right? Himani, it's okay if I will be on time to tomorrow from the next session. Harshita, what you do is uh, you try to you try to just check your internet connection and then come to this link again. Okay. Children, so what we try to do is we try to gauge what was the weight that the horse was carrying forward. And further, what happened when they were ready to move, the horse refused to start. They wondered why. Their father said that this horse was not well and would not pull a load heavier than 700 kg. Oh, but how heavy is this load? They asked. So we are trying to Find an answer to the question that is there at the end of the that is there at the end of the paragraph. And there's a condition children. There's a condition given. There's a condition given by the father that the horse will not carry more than 700 kg. So this is basically the upper limit. Upper limit of what? Upper limit of uh, what the horse can carry. Himani Meena, the page number is 133. We've read a story so far, and we are trying to basically gauge what is the absolute weight that is put behind, that is put on the horse cart by Jaiju and Manu while they were shifting the house. Ma'am, page number, the story is there on page number 133, children. We've read the story so far, and then we'll be writing now the items that were carried on the horse's back. So what all was carried at the back of the horse? See, they mention the list of all the items which was carried at, carried on the cart. A sack of a sack of wheat, a sack of rice. If you come to page number 134, if you come to page number 134, you will see that the list of items is given at the top right corner of the page. So what was it that the horse was carrying? These items were a sack of meat, okay, sack of meat, sack of rice, okay, what is that? Alga, a table, a chair, a mattress, bamboo ladder, and pots and pans. Now children, what we do is whenever we want to calculate the total weight that is there, then what we need to do is we need to multiply the individual weight. We need to multiply the individual weight of that particular thing with the number of things, the number of items. Now, if you go to the paragraph, it says, if you go to the paragraph, you give a heavy number of things. Now, if you come to page number 134, children will see that there is a question Then the question, find out the total weight they had loaded on the car. For that, you need to know the number of items. The number of items, like if there is sacks of wheat, you need to know how many sacks of wheat are there. So we go to the previous page and find how many items are there. So we know after going to the paragraph, we know a water tank. There is one water tank, five sacks of wheat, five sacks of wheat, three tables. Okay. A water tank. Water tank is one, five sacks of wheat, three tables, three tables. Children, I want you to mention the page number, mention the page number, and write this question. Ma'am, okay, children, this is also I'll give you a solution for it. Children, you write it in your textbook only because the table is already given in your textbook. What you can do is you can just add a column to this chart and mention the number of items. First of all, let us complete this and then I will tell you which column. You have to add, basically you have to add this number of items wala column because they're given the individual weight of each. So whenever you want to find the total weight of or total weight of whatever is loaded at the back of the horse, you need to multiply this, this formula is that number of items into the individual weight. Number of items multiplied by the individual weight of items. Now, if you see sacks of memory, sacks of wheat over here, then there are three tables, we mentioned that, and almirah, so there is one almirah, four chairs, we have four chairs, two mattresses, we have a column for mattress, we mentioned the number of mattresses to be two, three sacks of rice, three sacks of rice. There's one bamboo ladder, there's one bamboo ladder, pot and pan. Pot and pan. So we will assume that we have one, the number of quantity is one for pot and pan. Now, children, as I told you that whenever you want to find the total weight of the items, we have to first see if we have the number of items more than one or not. If there's one item, then definitely it will be the what we have to write is the individual weight of items. If the number of items are more, if the number of items are more, if the number of items are more, then we have to write then we have to write the number of items and the total weight. So, in this right weight over here, because the total weight will be calculating and at the bottom of it we will be writing the total weight of all the items. Now, children, we've given the individual weight, like if when one, the weight for one sack of wheat is 100 kgs. The weight for one sack of wheat is 100 kgs. 100 kgs. Man, नीचे का नहीं दिख रहा. Children, can you see it now? Children, excuse me for a minute. Hello? How is it? Master is going on. You can ask. Children, I will adjust the camera and please take a few seconds to write whatever is written on the blackboard. You don't have to write it in your notebook. You can just uh, add another column, that is number of items, and the total weight of it. Please copy this in your textbook. Just add another column. Just add two columns in front of the box. मैंने ये मतलब एडजस्ट नहीं हो पा रहा है. अभी ठीक है, अभी ठीक है. तो देखिए यहाँ पे अगर यहाँ पे so children, I hope you written the number of items in your textbook. Just add an additional column in your textbook of number of items. And this is just an activity so that you get an idea how to calculate the total weight that the horse is carrying. It will uh, it will give you a brief idea, like what should you do, what steps should you follow in order to find the total weight of all the items. Children, book में print individual weight की हुआ है. मैं आपको ये बोल रही हूँ कि आप एक स्केल और पेंसिल लेके एक पतली सी कॉलम उसमें ऐड कर दीजिए और उसमें नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स लिख दीजिए. अभी हम लोग फाइंड करेंगे. What you do is you take a pencil and scale and draw an additional column, before the individual weight of the items. Now we will refer to the textbook. We will refer to the textbook in order to find. In order to know the individual weight. Like there are five sacks of wheat. One sack of wheat is weighing 100 kg. I am not giving you this information. This information is given to you in your textbook. When you come to page number 134, when you see page number 134, the top right corner of the page, it gives the information about the individual weight of all the items. So one sack of rice is weighing 35 kg. And one water tank. We know that there is only one water tank. So the individual weight and the total weight will remain same. Water tank is 50 kg. And an almira will weigh 70 kg. And a table will weigh 10 kg. A chair will weigh 5 kg. A chair will weigh 5 kg. A mattress will weigh 20 kg. And then there's one bamboo ladder and it weighs 10 kg. And there are pots and pans. The number of items is not mentioned in the textbook, so uh, we assume it to be this one, and it is 10 kg. So children, is this clear to you? Till now what we have done is it clear to you? We've added, we first of all wrote the number of items, the number of individual items that we have. Then from the textbook, we got the information what were the individual weights of the items. Now what we will do, we will multiply number of items with their individual weight to get total weight. So children, when I multiply, in order to get the total weight, what I'm doing is I'm going to rub this heading so that it is more clear to you. So this was the number of weights over here, and here we have weight for one weight. Here we have weight for one weight. 1 unit means one sack of. It means that one sack of wheat will weigh 100 kg. One sack of wheat will weigh 100 kg. Now children, what we do is we have to find what was the weight of all the five sacks of what is the weight of all the sacks of wheat. So when I multiply the number of units with individual units with the individual weight, 5 into 100 gives me 500. It gives me 500 kg. So this is also in kg. I hope this is While we have 500 over here, what did we do? We multiplied number of 5 stacks of wheat with the individual weight that was 100 kg, which gave me the weight of these 5 stacks of wheat as 500 kg. Now, what we do is we will multiply and then we will add stacks of rice 35 into 3 into 35. 35 into 3 5 are 15, 2 3 are 9, 10. So we have 105 over here. Then water tank, we have one water tank, 50 into 1, 50. Almira, we have one almira, so the individual weight and the total weight will remain the same. Table, we have three small tables, each weighing, each weighing 10 kg. So when I multiply 10 with 3, I get 40. A chair, there is just one chair. There are four chairs. There are four small chairs, each weighing 5 kg. So the total weight will come to as 20 kg. The total weight comes to as 20 kg. Yes, Pradvin, you're absolutely right. We try to find the total weight of it after we've done with the calculator. What the individual items mattresses 2 into 20, 40, bamboo ladder is 1, and the total individual weight and the total weight remains same. Pots and pans 1 unit multiplied with 10 gives us 10. So now we will be getting the answer to the first question that is mentioned on page number that is there on page number 134. Now children, what we do, we will add individual weights 500. So now start calculating and I will write the total weight. I will write the total weight on the right hand side of the blackboard, and then what we can do is you will write the answer to the first question. 500, 105, 50, 70, 40, 90, 40, and again 20. What I'm doing is I'm adding all of the weights. 5, I'm adding all the weights. 5, 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 17 plus 4, 21, 21 plus 2, 23, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. So children, after doing this whole activity, we come to know that the horse was carrying. So, and children, do not forget to write the unit. Do not forget to write this unit with the number because this unit will always indicate what the weight is. Because mostly, many of times, measure the weight in kg. A unit which is smaller than kg is grams. Will be taking a further activity in chapter in which we will differentiate which things can be measured in grams and which you always buy in kg. So here we've got the answer to our first question. That was the total weight that the horse was carrying on that was loaded on the cart. So children, the activity was a bit long and it took the whole session of ours. So children, what I want now is that we stop over here, the session ends over here, and These children, there are some safety measures that you need to always follow when you go to study. You will to wear a mask and you maintain a distance when you meet some people. Or you will use sanitizers to sanitize your hands. Your health is precious. There's nothing which can be as valuable as your life. Okay, children, so you take all the precautions you can take. I know study and play is very important part, they are very important activities of a of a children's life. But all you have to do, you have to do all this, but with precautions. Okay, children. The session ends over here. We'll continue further with the chapter in the next section. Thank you, children.